Hello, this is Joy from Wang-Tech. We are air humidifier manufacturer, and today I would like to introduce you a mini-size air humidifier. This is the air humidifier today I want to introduce to you. It's in very mini size. We can compare it with our mobile phone. And the height of this air humidifier is 13 centimeter, and the width is just 8 centimeter. So it's very mini size, and you can take it to anywhere. It's very portable. And we can say the top part is mountain design, and it uses ABS materials. It looks very elegant. It's powered by USB cables. So when you use it, you need to connect it with the USB cable. When we first time got this item, you may confuse about it. Where is the button? But when you pay more attention to the structure, you will find the button is here. The white letter is the button of the air humidifier. You can use the button to operate the spray mode. For this item, it supports continuous spray mode and intermittent spray mode. Also, you can use the button to operate the lighting effects. Now, for better understanding, now let's learn how to operate it. The water tank of this item is 260 milliliter. First time we use it, we need to make the cotton stick inside in fully wet. Now let's pour some water inside and soak the cotton stick when you first time use it, because when the cotton stick is in fully wet, it's helpful for humidifying. Now here is the power interface. It's powered by USB cable, and now connect the power source. When we first time press the button, it starts the continuous spray mode. If sometimes you think the humidity is enough, you can use the intermittent spray mode. Just press the button again, and then you start the intermittent spray mode, working 5 seconds, and then stop 3 seconds, like the circle operation. How about the lighting? When we first don't press the button, 3 seconds, it turns on the 7 colors night light. We can see the magic light effects are very endearing and lovely. It's perfect for a living room or bedroom. That's not today the air humidifier I want to introduce to you. And we know air humidifier is very important in our daily life. It can spray cool mist into the air, and it's an effective means to treat dryness of skin or nose or lips. If you want to get more information about our air humidifier, please feel free to contact us.